So how do you bring in some texture without overcomplicating it? Well, there's two simple things that I do, and that's how I started before I got deeper into textures. The first thing is just adding paint thicker in some areas. Now, if you notice, this section here is quite bumpy, and you can see the different levels of the paint. And even up here, there's thicker sections of paint. Some is smooth, some is not, and over here it just gets thin. And that's a real simple way to bring in some texture without overcomplicating it. And remember, creativity often thrives in simplicity. You don't need fancy tools to overcomplicate things. Start with one, maybe two max of something and see where it leads you. Now, for me, I am a desert abstract artist and I just love the desert sand. And I collect it. Take a look at this. This is red desert sand that I gather from one of my hikes. And I just love this, and I find myself incorporating it as a natural texture into my paintings. And let me show you one of the simple ways that I love using it is just sprinkling it into the sections of the painting. And sometimes I'll cover it with paint. Sometimes I'll leave the texture of it and the color completely exposed because it goes so well with the painting, and I like that natural texture to really be seen because I connect with it, and I know that if I can connect with it and the mood, that others will too. And those are probably the first two places that I would start. So paint, keeping it thicker in some areas and thinner in others, is a perfect way to see how you feel about texture. And then choose a different texture that you like. Now, it may not be sand, it may just be a gel medium of something or collage, but whatever it is, let it be something that you are drawn to and then see where it takes you.